Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful little products sitting right in your kitchen, baking soda. Not only is it great for baking, but it's also packed with health, beauty, and household benefits. Here are 10 amazing benefits of baking soda. Natural deodorizer. Baking soda neutralizes odors naturally. Pop an open box in your fridge, closet, or car, and say goodbye to funky smells. Teeth. Whitening. Mix a little baking soda with water and brush gently to brighten your smile. It helps remove surface stains from your teeth. Skin. Exfoliant. Baking soda makes a great natural exfoliator. Mix it with a bit of water to form a paste and gently scrub your face or body for smoother skin. Heartburn relief. Feeling the burn after a big meal. A teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water can help neutralize stomach acid and ease heartburn. Household cleaner. Baking soda is a cleaning superstar. Use it to scrub sinks, countertops, and even tough stains without harsh chemicals. Freshen your breath. Swishing with a solution of baking soda and water can help eliminate bad breath by killing odor-causing bacteria. Soothe bug, bites, and skin irritations. Make a baking soda paste and apply it to bug bites, itchy skin, or sunburns for quick relief. Boost laundry power. Adding half a cup of baking soda to your laundry helps brighten clothes, remove odors, and boost detergent effectiveness. Foot soak for tired feet. After a long day, soak your feet in warm water with a few tablespoons of baking soda. It soothes aches and softens rough skin. Clarify your hair. Baking soda can help remove product buildup from your hair. Add a pinch to your shampoo once a week for cleaner, fresher hair. And there you have it. 10 incredible ways to use baking soda in your daily life. It's simple, affordable, and so powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more everyday tips and natural remedies.